for a smooth gliding, quality creeper you can depend on for all your car repairs and maintenance, check out the MaxJax USA-made reclining creeper seat. The MaxJax reclining creeper seat is robustly made with strong 3/4-inch perimeter box tubing and cross bracing to provide years of reliable, trouble-free service. Easy rolling, non-marring casters help keep you rolling freely without worry of getting stuck or scuffing up your garage floor. The MaxJax Creeper's adjustable seat and reclining back and head are comfortably padded and wrapped in a heavy-duty vinyl, giving you durability, customizable positions, and ultimate comfort for working under your vehicle. Best of all, the MaxJax Creeper is manufactured in the USA and rated to support up to 570 pounds. Enhance your garage experience with the MaxJax reclining creeper seat, perfectly paired with the MaxJax lift or any other way you work under vehicles. Order yours at maxjax.com today.